South Korean parent Hyundai Motor Company owned Hyundai Motor India is going to create history in India's capital markets by launching the biggest ever IPO this week after the LIC's 21,000 crore public issue in 2022. Here are 10 key things that you should watch before subscribing the issue. IPO date. The public issue of the country's second largest passenger vehicle maker will remain open for subscription between 15th of October and 17th of October 2024. The price band for Hyundai Motor India has been fixed at Rs 1,865 to 1,960 per share. The IPO consists of entirely offer for sale of 14.2 crore equity shares by its parent firm. Hyundai Motor Company, the automobile company, targets Rs 27,870.2 crore through maiden public issue at the upper price band. The firm has reserved 7,78,400 equity shares for its employees. They will get those shares at a discount of Rs 186 per share to the final issue price. If you look at the objectives of the IPO, then all the IPO funds will be received by the parent company as it is an offer for sale. Hence, the objective is to complete the said offer for sale by the promoter and achieve the benefits of listing on the stock exchanges. The company has reserved half of the net public issue size for qualified institutional buyers, 15% for non-institutional investors, and the remaining 35% shares for the retail investors. Investors can bid for a minimum of 7 equity shares in the IPO and in multiples of 7 shares thereafter. Thus, retail investors can invest a minimum of Rs 13,720 in the IPO, while their maximum investment would be Rs 1,92,080, as the investment in IPO cannot exceed the limit of Rs 2 lakh. If you look at the company's profile, then the Hyundai Motor India is the second largest auto OEM in the Indian passenger vehicle segment with nearly 15% market share after Maruti Suzuki India. Its domestic market share declined from 17.6% in financial year 20 due to competition from domestic players like Maruti Suzuki India, Tata Motors, and Mahindra & Mahindra. It is the second largest manufacturing and supply chain ecosystem within the Hyundai Motor Group outside Group's home country, Korea. It has a portfolio of 13 models across multiple passenger vehicle segments such as sedans. If we talk about the financials of the company, then the company has recorded good financial performance in the past years. Net profit in the year ended March 2024 grew by 28.7% to Rs 6,060 crore compared to the previous fiscal, and revenue increased by 15.8% to Rs 69,829 crore compared to the fiscal 2023. EBITDA for financial year 24 saw 21% to Rs 9,132.6 crore, with the margin expanding by 58 bps to 13.08 compared to the previous fiscal. In financial year 24, passenger vehicle sales contributed 86% to total revenue and 6% contribution. If we look at the promoters and dividend payout, then the Korean-based Hyundai Motor India is the owner of Hyundai Motor India with 100% shareholding. The Indian unit has paid total dividend of Rs 10,782.4 crore in the fiscal 2024 against total dividend of Rs 4,653.4 crore in financial year 23 and a dividend payout of Rs 1,493.4 crore in financial year 2022. It had cash and cash equivalents of Rs 17,741.15 crore at the end of March 2023. Risk factors. Nearly all the brokerages advise subscribing to the public issue while listing out the following risk. HMI has been unable to increase its market share beyond 20%. It has seen increasing competition from not only listed peers but also unlisted players like Kia Motors, Honda Cars, Skoda Auto India, MG Motor India, Renault India, Volkswagen India. Two of group companies, Kia Corporation and Kia India, are in similar line of business as Hyundai, which may involve conflict of interest which could adversely impact business. Any potential increase in the royalty rate by the parent company on account of technology transfer or provision of critical components or services could impact future earnings of Hyundai Motor India. If we talk about the passenger vehicle allotment, then the passenger vehicle maker will finalize the basis of allotment of IPO shares by 18th of October, and its equity shares will be credited to demat accounts of successful investors by 21st of October. The much-awaited trading in Hyundai shares will commence on the BSE and NSE effective 22nd of October.